1. Introduction to the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messier 31 or M31, is a majestic spiral galaxy located approximately 2.537 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Andromeda. It is the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, making it a significant object of study in astronomy. Spanning about 220,000 light-years in diameter, the Andromeda Galaxy is larger than our Milky Way, which is around 100,000 light-years across. It contains a vast number of stars, estimated to be around 1 trillion, along with a myriad of star clusters, nebulae, and other celestial objects. One of the most captivating aspects of the Andromeda Galaxy is its visibility to the naked eye from Earth's northern hemisphere. It appears as a faint, elongated smudge in the night sky, captivating astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. In terms of its relationship to the Milky Way, both galaxies are part of the Local Group, a collection of over 54 galaxies bound together by gravity. The Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way are on a collision course and are expected to merge in about 4.5 billion years, forming a new galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Studying the Andromeda Galaxy provides valuable insights into galactic evolution, star formation, and the dynamics of cosmic interactions. Its proximity and observable features make it an indispensable celestial laboratory for astronomers and astrophysicists seeking to unravel the mysteries of the universe. 2. Formation and evolution. Billions of years ago, the Andromeda Galaxy began its journey through cosmic evolution, shaped by intricate processes that have led to its current majestic form. Its formation traces back to the gravitational collapse of a vast cloud of gas and dust, a common genesis for galaxies in the universe. Over time, this collapsing cloud condensed into a protogalactic disk, where gravitational forces acted upon the matter, leading to the formation of stars and stellar clusters within the emerging galaxy. As stars ignited across its expanse, they contributed to the enrichment of heavy elements through nucleosynthesis, fostering the development of more complex structures within the Andromeda Galaxy. Over millions of years, these processes continued, with stars being born, aging, and in some cases, culminating in spectacular supernova explosions that further enriched the interstellar medium. The evolution of the Andromeda Galaxy also involved interactions with neighboring galaxies and the continuous accretion of matter from the cosmic web. These interactions, including mergers with smaller satellite galaxies, influenced the morphology and dynamics of Andromeda, shaping its spiral arms, central bulge, and halo of stars. As the Andromeda Galaxy continued to evolve, gravitational interactions with galaxies in the Local Group, including our Milky Way, have set the stage for a future collision and merger. These complex processes of formation, evolution, and cosmic interactions have sculpted the Andromeda Galaxy into the awe-inspiring celestial spectacle that astronomers study and admire today. 3. Structure and size. The Andromeda Galaxy's grandeur is evident in its impressive size and intricate structure, making it a captivating subject of astronomical study. Spanning approximately 220,000 light-years in diameter, Andromeda is larger than our Milky Way galaxy. Its structure is characterized by several key features that define its visual appearance and cosmic dynamics. At the heart of the Andromeda Galaxy lies a prominent central bulge, a densely packed region of stars and stellar remnants. This bulge contributes to the galaxy's overall gravitational pull and plays a role in shaping its spiral arms. Speaking of which, Andromeda boasts majestic spiral arms that extend outward from the central bulge, adorned with clusters of bright, young stars and regions of active star formation. These spiral arms wind gracefully around the galactic center, creating a stunning cosmic tapestry that is a hallmark of spiral galaxies. Additionally, Andromeda possesses a vast halo of stars, gas, and dark matter that surrounds its visible disk. This halo extends far beyond the visible boundaries of the galaxy and influences its gravitational interactions with neighboring galaxies and the cosmic environment. Observations of Andromeda's structure have revealed intricate details about its spiral arms, the distribution of stars within its disk, and the composition of its central bulge. These features not only contribute to Andromeda's aesthetic appeal but also provide valuable insights into the processes of galactic formation, stellar evolution, and the dynamics of cosmic structures in the universe. 4. Stellar content. The Andromeda Galaxy, with its vast expanse and rich stellar content, hosts a diverse array of stars, star clusters, nebulae, and other stellar phenomena that fascinate astronomers and stargazers alike. One of the prominent types of stars found in Andromeda is the population of massive, luminous blue stars. These young, hot stars are often found in the spiral arms of the galaxy, where active star formation occurs. Their intense radiation and short lifespans contribute significantly to shaping the galaxy's appearance. Another common type of star in Andromeda is the older, cooler red giant stars. These stars have exhausted their hydrogen fuel and have expanded to become red giants, showcasing the later stages of stellar evolution. Andromeda also hosts various star clusters, including open clusters and globular clusters. Open clusters are groups of young stars that formed from the same molecular cloud and are still loosely bound together. Globular clusters, on the other hand, are tightly packed groups of older stars orbiting the galactic center. Among the notable nebulae in Andromeda is M31's Great Nebula, also known as NGC 206. This massive star-forming region contains hot, young stars and intricate filaments of glowing gas and dust. Additionally, Andromeda exhibits other stellar phenomena such as supernova remnants, pulsars, and black holes, providing a rich tapestry of cosmic objects for astronomers to explore and study. These diverse stellar populations and phenomena contribute to the dynamic and vibrant nature of the Andromeda Galaxy. 5. Galactic Neighborhood. The Andromeda Galaxy resides within a bustling galactic neighborhood known as the Local Group, a collection of over 54 galaxies bound together by gravitational forces. Among its closest neighbors are several notable galaxies and celestial objects that contribute to its dynamic cosmic environment. One of the most significant companions of Andromeda is the Milky Way galaxy, our own cosmic home. The Milky Way and Andromeda are on a collision course, with their mutual gravitational attraction gradually drawing them closer together. This interaction will eventually lead to a merger between the two galaxies, forming a new, larger galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. In addition to the Milky Way, Andromeda's galactic neighborhood includes several dwarf galaxies, such as the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds, and numerous smaller satellite galaxies. These dwarf galaxies are gravitationally bound to Andromeda and contribute to its overall gravitational influence on the Local Group. The interactions and gravitational influences among these galaxies have profound effects on their evolution and dynamics. Galactic mergers and interactions trigger bursts of star formation, distort the shapes of galaxies, and redistribute gas and dust within their systems. These processes are fundamental in shaping the structure and behavior of galaxies within the Local Group and provide insights into the broader context of cosmic evolution and galaxy formation. 6. Observational history. The observational history of the Andromeda Galaxy is rich with milestones and discoveries that have shaped our understanding of this cosmic marvel. Historical observations of Andromeda date back centuries, with notable contributions from astronomers across different eras. One of the earliest recorded observations of Andromeda is attributed to the Persian astronomer Al-Sufi in the 10th century, who described it as a nebulous smear. Later, in the 18th century, astronomers like Charles Messier catalogued Andromeda as M31, recognizing its significance among celestial objects. The true nature of Andromeda as a distant galaxy beyond our Milky Way was established in the early 20th century, thanks to the pioneering work of astronomers such as Edwin Hubble. Hubble's observations of Cepheid variable stars in Andromeda allowed for the calculation of its distance, confirming it as a separate galaxy and expanding our cosmic perspective. Technological advancements have played a crucial role in enhancing our understanding of Andromeda. The development of large telescopes, space-based observatories like the Hubble Space Telescope, and advanced imaging techniques have provided detailed views of Andromeda's structure, stellar populations, and dynamics. Observations across different wavelengths, from radio to X-ray, have unveiled hidden aspects of Andromeda's galactic environment, including star formation regions, active galactic nuclei, and dark matter distributions. Continued technological progress, such as the advent of next-generation telescopes and advanced data analysis methods, promises further insights into Andromeda's mysteries, paving the way for deeper exploration and understanding of our cosmic neighbors. 7. Current understanding. Our current understanding of the Andromeda Galaxy is built upon a foundation of extensive research and observations, revealing a wealth of information about this galactic giant. Here's what we know and the ongoing studies that continue to enhance our knowledge. Structure and composition. We know that Andromeda is a spiral galaxy, similar to our Milky Way, with a central bulge, spiral arms, and a halo of stars, gas, and dark matter. Recent studies using advanced imaging techniques have provided detailed maps of Andromeda's structure, highlighting its complex and dynamic nature. Stellar populations. Andromeda hosts a diverse population of stars, ranging from massive, young blue stars to older red giants. Ongoing studies focus on understanding the distribution, ages, and evolutionary paths of these stars, shedding light on the galaxy's star formation history. Galactic dynamics. Observations of Andromeda's rotation, stellar motions, and gravitational interactions with neighboring galaxies inform our understanding of its dynamics. Ongoing research aims to model these dynamics more accurately, predicting future interactions within the local group. Dark matter and halo. Studies of Andromeda's halo provide insights into the distribution of dark matter, a mysterious substance that outweighs visible matter in galaxies. Ongoing efforts include mapping the halo's structure and studying its role in galaxy formation and evolution. Galactic evolution. By comparing Andromeda to other galaxies and simulating its evolution, researchers uncover clues about galactic mergers, star formation processes, and the formation of galactic structures. Ongoing research initiatives, including large-scale surveys, multi-wavelength observations, and computer simulations, contribute significantly to our evolving understanding of the Andromeda Galaxy. These efforts deepen our knowledge of galactic dynamics, stellar evolution, and the broader cosmic landscape, paving the way for exciting discoveries and insights in astronomy and astrophysics. 8. Future prospects. The future holds exciting prospects for further unraveling the mysteries of the Andromeda Galaxy, with potential observations and discoveries poised to deepen our understanding of galactic evolution and cosmology. Galactic merger. One of the most anticipated events is the eventual merger between the Andromeda Galaxy and our Milky Way, projected to occur in about 4.5 billion years. Future observations will track this cosmic collision, providing invaluable insights into galactic mergers, star formation triggered by such events, and the resulting structure of the merged galaxy. Stellar dynamics. Advanced telescopes and instruments will enable detailed studies of Andromeda's stellar populations, including the motions of individual stars within the galaxy. These observations will refine our models of galactic dynamics, shedding light on the processes that drive star formation, stellar evolution, and the formation of galactic structures. Dark matter mapping. Future surveys and observations will continue to map the distribution of dark matter in Andromeda's halo, offering clues about the nature of this elusive substance and its role in galaxy formation and evolution. High-resolution imaging and gravitational lensing studies may reveal new details about dark matter's influence on galactic dynamics. Cosmic environment. Studying Andromeda in the context of its cosmic environment, including interactions with neighboring galaxies and the broader cosmic web, will enhance our understanding of galactic ecology and the interconnectedness of cosmic structures. Cosmological insights. Discoveries in Andromeda will contribute to broader cosmological theories, providing empirical data to test models of galaxy formation, evolution, and the large-scale structure of the universe. These insights have implications for our understanding of cosmic timescales, the distribution of matter in the universe, and the origins of galactic diversity. Overall, future observations and discoveries related to Andromeda promise to advance our knowledge across various fields of astronomy, offering a glimpse into the dynamic processes that shape galaxies and the universe at large. 9. Conclusion. The Andromeda Galaxy, a sprawling cosmic masterpiece located over 2.5 million light-years away, holds immense significance in our exploration of the universe. Key points about Andromeda include its status as a spiral galaxy larger than our Milky Way, boosting a diverse array of stars, star clusters, and nebulae within its expansive structure. Its proximity and visibility make it a prime target for observational studies, revealing insights into galactic dynamics, stellar evolution, and dark matter distribution. Andromeda's impending collision with the Milky Way offers a unique opportunity to study galactic mergers and their impact on star formation and cosmic structures. Moreover, its role within the local group of galaxies provides a broader context for understanding galactic ecology and cosmological principles. In essence, Andromeda serves as a celestial laboratory, enriching our understanding of astronomy and cosmology while captivating our imagination with its cosmic beauty and mysteries.